guys, it's Jessie here. I'm back with another video. We've got a grocery haul. I didn't intend to do any grocery shopping this week, but we ran out of half and half, and that's important stuff around here because we're coffee fiends and we can't have our coffee without our half and half. So since we were going to have to risk exposure and get half and half anyway, we were already in the store, and by we I mean my husband. I didn't go, I sent him.
Yeah, if I run out of coffee, I'll kill somebody.
I sent him, since he was already in the store, he stocked up on what he was able to stock up on, which was mostly snacks. They were all out of pretty much everything, right?
You couldn't get a loaf of bread in Walmart, other than the bakery Italian daily baked stuff.
They were all out of paper products, of course, which we expected. The cereal aisle was pretty hit, you know, canned food, but we were able to get some stuff, namely snacks, which is essentially what we needed because my family is going through snacks like crazy with everybody being home. We are social distancing as much as possible, so we stocked up on snacks and half, pretty much, and a few other things. So let's go ahead and show you what we got. He went to Walmart and Meijer in order to get everything that we needed. Walmart's not doing grocery pickup right now, so it is what it is. Alright, so we got 2 bags of the Wavy Original chips, 2 bags of the cheddar and sour cream, also 2 bags of cheese balls. My husband likes to buy things in twos, like we're filling an arc, so there's that. He also got our absolute favorite donkey chips. These are tortilla chips. They're delicious. We don't get them very often because they don't sell them at Walmart. They sell them at Meijer. But since he was in Meijer anyway, he went ahead and picked them up. The other reason he went to Meijer was to stock up on my favorite soda, which is the Diet Right. I like drinking this because it's aspartame free. I have a sensitivity to aspartame. I get really terrible headaches when I drink too much of it. So he stocked me up on that. 2 cases of that and a case of Dr. Pepper for himself. The kids have a ton of juice, we have tons of water bottles, we have tons of Gatorade, but we were running low on soda. Got some sandwich cookies, oatmeal cookies, and these are like Walmart's Oreos. So we're all stocked up on sweets and salty snacks. He did manage to find some cereal, so he got a box of Rice Squares, a box of Raisin Bran, 2 boxes of the Oat Crunch. This is like life, and it's really yummy. They did have bananas, so he got some bananas and some romaine lettuce. That was the other thing we needed, some fresh produce. He also got some feta cheese. He was able to find bread at Meijer, luckily, so he's got a couple of varieties of rye bread here. We also have some homemade bread. We've been baking bread in my bread maker. And then we have all of these that he was able to find. So we're going to stick these in the freezer and we'll be alright for bread for a while. The other thing that they had in terms of bread was bagels, so he had the common sense to buy some bagels. They were not on the list, but, you know, those are great for breakfast. He got 2 packs of onion bagels, plenty of cream cheese to go with those. He got some picante sauce. This is to go with those tortilla chips, I imagine. Mm-hmm. And then the half and half. We're not going to run out of half and half anytime soon, which is good, because, like I said, coffee's important. He also got 2 things of canola oil butters, make it spreadable, you know, and some French onion dip. So that is it. We have plenty of meat in our deep freezer. We have plenty of canned goods and other pantry items. We were just essentially running low on half and half and snacks and bread. So we're all stocked up now. Hopefully we don't have to go out again for a couple weeks, I'm hoping, because I really want to avoid exposure at all costs. He's still working every day, so he still has to go out, but the rest of us are staying home, hunkering down, and trying to avoid spreading this thing as much as possible. So, yeah, that's it for my grocery haul. I hope you enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Make sure you subscribe so that you never miss a video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!